Hi guys, this video is about the web-based app called Go Noodle, and I had heard of this a while ago from our Innovation Lab teacher, and I know she uses it in her classroom, and I know the kids love it because they come straight to me afterwards and they tell me how great it is, but I just never had gotten around to checking it out. But as I'm looking at it, I'm realizing these are things that the kids can actually do at home as well as in the classroom. Some of them are really great things to do in the classroom. But when you first go to gonoodle.com, of course, you'll have to sign up, click on that you're an educator, and it'll take your email and a little bit of information. And then you are signed up, and you can see all the different activities here. Like these would be really fun for at home, get outside. They've got some foreign languages, indoor recess. You even have a button, Pick for Me, and I think that Mrs. Smith has actually used this in the Innovation Lab because I think the kids have talked about that. That sounds familiar, some of the younger kids. As I was looking through this, I was looking at categories, and one thing that I would really like, I think, is these mindfulness activities, building compassion, enhancing focus. I looked at this manage stress one, and there's this bear breath. Oh my goodness, this would be perfect for some younger students. You can click on this and it guides them right through an activity. And of course there's an ad first, so you'll just have to get used to that.
Bear breath.
Bears usually take 6
this is only
to
2
10
minutes.
breaths per minute.
Would help
But
kids to calm down and focus. There's all sorts of resources for different curriculum, different activities. So all kinds of neat stuff that you can do here. There's questions. It just looks like a really great resource, and I think it would be perfect for distance learning as well. All right, take care.